Garden edging is one of those simple things that can turn an average garden into a great garden. With Inspire Garden Edging, you can achieve a professional finish without the hard work. Designed and manufactured in Australia, Inspire Garden Edging does not need expensive pegs. Its unique patented tooth design makes installation so quick and simple that anyone can do it. The rolled top edge offers additional safety with the ability to bend and curve to almost any garden design. The only tools you'll need are a hammer, pliers, block of wood, gloves and goggles. Before you get started, you should mark out the area where you want to install your Inspire edging. A simple string line can be used for straight lines and angles. A garden hose is a great way to create flowing curves. If your garden is already established like this one, you can just follow the line where the lawn meets the garden bed. It's also handy to check for any obvious pipes, roots or rocks that may be in the way. Inspire Garden Edging has a unique design which allows its teeth to be easily bent at a 90-degree angle out of the way of any obstacles. To make this job even easier, lightly soak very hard soil with water. To add greater stability in extremely sandy soil, you can bend the occasional tooth at a 90-degree angle. Inspire Garden Edging has an additional feature where you can discreetly and securely hook irrigation pipe into the back of the edging. To achieve this, just bend 2 teeth per edging piece. To ensure the edging remains even, avoid bending the teeth at the ends. Once you are ready to start, remove the joiners from the Inspire Garden Edging. Put the joiners in a safe place to use later. Lay out the edging in the chosen location so it is easily accessible. Using a workbench, block of wood or even another piece of Inspire Garden Edging, it is easy to bend to create clean angles. The curves carefully bend into the desired shape. To install Inspire Garden Edging, you will need a hammer and a block of wood. I'm just using a spare piece I had in my shed. If you don't have anything lying around, you can pick up any offcut from your local hardware store. For best results, hammer in the Inspire Garden Edging evenly over its entire length. You can hammer in the edging as far as you like, as long as the teeth are all under the surface. Once you are happy with how the edging is sitting, join the Inspire Garden Edging with the joiners provided. To join 2 lengths of Inspire edging together, bend the prongs of the circular piece with pliers. Push it through the 2 holes and cover the other side with a rectangular piece. Finally, bend the prongs all the way down to tighten. Continue this process until all your Inspire edging is installed. Inspire Garden Edging will not only look great in your garden, it also creates a strong and permanent border to maintain neat edges for lawns, garden beds, paths and driveways. It can also be used as a tree ring or to create steps. The options are endless. All you need is creativity and Inspire Garden Edging.